Hey everybody, I hope you all are doing fine. So, as it's Saturday, the day of Lord Hanuman, today I'm gonna talk about one of the chopais from Hanuman Chalisa that is truly relevant during these tough times that we are going through. So, it goes like this: Ram duvare, tum rakhware, hot na agya, bin paisare. Okay, so what it means is Lord Hanuman is the protector. He is the guard standing outside to protect Lord Ram's house. Ram Duvare. That means he's standing at the door of Lord Ram's house. So what it means by Lord Ram's house? So you know what it means? It actually means our heart. Who is Lord Ram? What does he signifies? So Lord Ram is personification of all things good. Humility, gratitude, sacrifice, pure love, freedom, punctuality, everything. Lord Ram is the goodness which we have in all of us. He is the element of kindness, and I believe that all the souls in this world, all of us humans, have that quality. We are part of that supreme personality of Godhead. Obviously we do have that goodness in us. So yes, if you have that in your heart, obviously Lord Hanuman is going to protect you because he's the guard of Lord Ram, and all of us know that very well. Then it's this, the second line is Hotana agya bin paisare. That means nothing can enter us, nothing can reach us, no amount of danger, no amount of anxiety or physical or mental harm. Nobody can cause us that kind of harm because Lord Hanuman doesn't permit that. So just chanting by Hanuman Chalisa, you can save yourself from so many of harmful vibes, so many of harmful people. Yes. Now comes the next line, that is सब सुख लहे तुम्हारी शरणा, तुम रक्षक कहु को डरना. That means all the happiness on this earth, it lies in your feet. And tum rakshak kahu ko darna means, since you are my protector, I don't need to fear, I don't need to be scared of anything, be it physical or mental. So there are so many people suffering from OCD, obsessive compulsive disorder. They have this feeling that somebody is going to kill them, somebody is going to harm them, physically or mentally. Yes. So yeah, especially for patients suffering from OCD, anxiety, also people who are scared, including me. All of us are scared from some things, to lose our loved ones, or maybe we all have this fear of failure. So yeah, any kind of fear, Lord Hanuman is there to protect us from everything, every kind of fear. And if you have faith in him, if you chant Hanuman Chalisa just once a week or maybe every day, or if not the whole Hanuman Chalisa, just these two chopais, it's going to save you from lot of harmful vibes. Trust me on that. Please give it a try. I'm sure it's going to work for you because yes, it does work for me every time when I chant it. So yeah, that's all I had to talk about today. Thank you. I hope you like this video. Bye bye.